Hi guys, for today's video is how to install apps on Android. So first things you want to do is open the Play Store. Its icon is a multicolored triangle on a white briefcase. So if it's your first time opening the Play Store, you'll have to enter your Google account information and payment details. So I have here already entered, and type an app name or keyword into the search box. It's at the top of the screen. So for example, here, I have here Mobile Legends. And if you go back, so if you're just browsing, skip the search instead. Scroll down and peruse the Play Store's categories, charts, and suggestions. So here you can see the messaging apps based on your recent activity. You have here popular apps, premium apps, and many more. You can select an app from search results. So this brings you to the detailed page. So let's open, where you can read the app's description, check out user reviews, and view screenshots. Many apps have similar names, so you search may return several results. Apps in the search result appear in their own tiles, each displaying the app's icon, developer, star rating, and price. So if you are sure about this app, you can tap install. So it's a green button. So if the app is not free, the green button will say the app's price instead of install. When downloading an app that costs money, you have to confirm your Google account password. So after you downloaded it, you can tap open when the installation is complete. The install button will change to open button. So tapping it will launch your new app for the first time. So to open the new app in the future, tap the app's icon on your home screen, then tap the new app's icon. So that's it. I hope that this video helps, and if you have comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!